Indian Army neutralized over 600 drones launched by Pakistan amid tensions. Sources: following the success of Operation Sindoor, the Indian Army swiftly neutralized over 600 drones launched by Islamabad in retaliation to New Delhi's missile attack on 9 terror camps in Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. Pak. Defence sources informed. This remarkable achievement was facilitated by the rapid deployment and determined response of India's air defence systems. According to sources, more than 1,000 gun systems and 750 short and medium-range missile systems were activated along the western border. This swift transformation elevated India's air defence network from a peacetime stance to full operational readiness almost overnight. Earlier, the government confirmed that Pakistani drones and missiles violated Indian airspace during the intervening night of May 8 and 9. In retaliation for the attack, India activated its air defence network, including S-400 Triumph systems, BARAK-8 and Akash missiles, and DRDO's anti-drone technologies, to neutralize the threats. Notably, India launched Operation Sindoor on May 7 in the wake of the April 22 Pahalgam attack, targeting terror infrastructure in Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. Following this, Pakistan escalated tensions by firing missiles at military sites across northern and western India. However, all incoming missiles were intercepted by the Indian Army. In fact, when Pakistan assumed an aggressive military posture and attacked the border cities and districts on the border and targeted India's military installations, the Indian Armed Forces deployed a layered air defence system combining both static and mobile platforms in response to Pakistan's aerial threats. Swipe left for next video. To thwart the Pakistani attack, at least 6 nodes of Akash tier and the Indian Air Forces Integrated Air Command and Control System IAS were activated across the country, sources informed News 18. Notably, the Indian Armed Forces' technical prowess and abilities were also praised by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. While meeting the Indian Air Force IAF personnel on Wednesday in Adampur Air Base in Punjab, PM Modi thanked them for their valor and said Indian Armed Forces have paired technical with tactical to have an upper hand in the battlefield. Latest blogs.